in the industry of the architecture, if you are designing one space, or maybe a CEO or a founder director of a big company is coming, he will not ask about the gender who has created that space. The quality what you have delivered, it's been asked.
Being a female, अब जैसे construction site पे जाते हो, how do people be more receptive when you be there?
There are almost 100% male, from your project manager to from the client side, from the laborers. I am turning the design into reality. So
Correct.
everything has to be a real-time check.
Designing a particular space, how long is the process?
Depend upon the size of the space what we are designing, how much download in the first meeting client has given to us.
How did you as an entrepreneur manage to build your company brand as well as your personal brand? नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है एक सोच में, एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहां हम सिर्फ सक्सेस स्टोरीज नहीं बल्कि उन सोच की भी बात करते हैं जो इंडस्ट्रीज को शेप करती है और जिंदगी बदल देती है। आज का एपिसोड बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे विमेन लीडर से जिन्होंने सिर्फ बिल्डिंग्स नहीं बनाई, उन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस क्रिएट किया। हम रोज ऑफिसेज, हॉस्पिटल, स्टूडियोज और कमर्शियल स्पेसेस देखते हैं, लेकिन क्या हम कभी सोचते हैं कि इन स्पेसेस का हमारी प्रोडक्टिविटी, इमोशंस, ग्रोथ पर कितना इम्पैक्ट कर सकता है? इंडिया का कमर्शियल इंटीरियर मार्केट रैपिडली ग्रो कर रहा है और इस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के बीच एक ऐसा नाम है जो प्रीमियम स्पेसेस को विजन, एलिगेंस और फंक्शनैलिटी के साथ रिडिफाइन कर रहा है। आज हमारे साथ है एक आर्किटेक्ट, एंटरप्रेन्योर और एक ऐसी इंस्पायरिंग वुमेन जिन्होंने एक मेल डोमिनेटेड इंडस्ट्री में अपनी अलग पहचान बनाई है। प्लीज वेलकम द डायनामिक एंड विजनरी श्वेता संचिती जी। वेलकम टू एक सोच मैम।
Hi Nirali, thank you. I am glad that I am today at Exoch.
Thank you so much for being there today.
Thank you so
Since this entire conversation, ये पूरा जो talk show है, it's all about एक सोच, one idea that changed your life, and I'm a firm believer that आप अपनी जिंदगी में जो भी करते हो, it's all because of one idea that you get.
Absolutely.
Right? And that's how your changes happen overnight. So what was your one thought? What was your one idea that changed your life completely?
My one thought is like what we do for others, if we do for yourself, things gets with a better result to you.
Correct.
So, and when you do the things for your own, you doesn't categorize the thing in the 40s.
Correct.
Like this is not my domain, this is not this domain. You do the things 360 degree, and when your involvement is there, the 360 degree round about the clock, things gets changed.
Correct. How has been your journey basically since you're a female entrepreneur in the industry which is purely male driven?
Yeah. So I would say first, yes, in the male dominating industry, it was tough. But many of the veterans to whom I follow, as in my mentors, so they have already set the platform. But yes, that platform for they have set is for being in the architecture. But to be on the field, it is very tough. It is
Correct.
very tough. It has a journey. But in that sense, if you are defining your principles to how you have to stand alone in the room where 10
Correct.
of the men are sitting. So first is your confidence.
Absolutely.
Second is your trust on yourself. Third is you need the clarity, complete clarity. And fourth and very important is the ownership.
Yeah,
If you
true.
your four things are clear in your mind, then you do not have to speak.
Absolutely.
Your work will shout more louder than your voice in that room, and space will get automatically created.
Absolutely. Rightly said that, confident women can create lot of wonders.
Yes.
If you have that confidence to shine in that male dominant space, nothing can stop you.
Absolutely, I am completely believer of the thing that you have to be very confident enough. See, in the industry of the architecture, if you are designing one space, okay, so after designing that space, if some veteran is coming, or if some influential person is coming to see that place, or maybe a CEO or a founder director of a big company is coming, he will not ask about the gender who
Yeah,
has created that
true,
space.
true.
Okay, neither your walls are, neither your ceiling, the quality what you have delivered, it's been asked, it's been seen. So I don't feel that ki gender definition is there. It is just about an confidence. After that, this treating this is a female, that the person is a male, is always go secondary and eyewash. Nobody will ask you.
करेक्ट करेक्ट आई बिलीव दैट आपका जो स्पेस है ना आई मीन यू गाइस आर एन आर्किटेक्चर
Yeah.
you are working on bringing people's dream project to life, right? So I'm sure that of course people will never be able to genderize.
No, not
They
at all.
can never do that. Now talking about your experience, कई सालों का experience रहा है आपका. You are now an entrepreneur, right? So how did your entrepreneurship journey begin? I'm sure that you might be having lot of ups and downs and lot of struggles.
Yes. So, see, I'll tell you honestly, I sat firstly on the opposite chair where in a world's biggest firm, and I learned a lot of things there. I learned a lot of things there. I have interacted with the people who are the giants in the industry. So, from there, if you have a mindset to learn and to become, a person to whom I'm not from a Mumbai, I'm from a very small village, and I have come to make my dreams true to the dream city.
Correct.
So that was very clear from day one. You have to learn at your initials.
Yeah.
Once, like my husband is also from the same industry, so we both was working earlier during our early marriage time. So then one day we thought ki we are doing so much for others, why can't we do for our own? Though the struggle will be there to start, to grab the client, but yes, if we'll go with a mindset that we have to give our 1000%, what are the pros and cons from the both ends, we know that, and if we can solve that thing in a meticulous way to deliver us as a different entity than the current that time was. So
Correct.
earlier the turnkey contracting was not a very system driven type of thing. It was always with the Indian traditional mindset. There are set people in the industry, those who are doing that. But when we came, we have a lot of analysis, lot of sleepless nights to analyze and how we can come as a different person. And that's why then we have created that name, Different Squares Venture Private Limited. So if you will see, so that Different Square has not come as just a name. Okay, so that 4 square has 4 core values.
Correct.
And that core values is always resonating in both of our ears, and that also we have passed on to our team also.
Correct.
So why Different Square? People ask at so many places, people ask us why different squares. So why Different Square? Because we have the 4 pillars, which is the DNA of your company. Correct. Our company. So one is your desire. So if we are talking about an interior designing of any space, so desire of client has to be understood completely. Correct. With a function, purpose, emotions,
correct, yeah,
and the psychology.
Absolutely.
Not necessarily that every business will run on a same psychology.
Agreed.
And the space is a brand reflection of any business. So
True.
That brand, why that brand and how it will get reflect. It's not just only about the colors. It has to be completely driven. So correct. Our first pillar was desire. Then how you are driving it. So driving is a process where the psychology, the expectation has to be driven on a paper, on a field, with the budgets,
Yeah.
timelines,
Correct.
expectations, sustainability, and again a different space than the other one.
Correct.
So though the modulation is there in the industry, but it has to look different than other. So that is like how we have to drive. And there like my involvement come, my team's involvement come, and how we take the downloads, how we understand the business. So there are the prototypes which has been set to understand those.
Correct. Correct.
Then comes to the deliverables.
Mhm.
What we have promised, we have to deliver.
Correct.
There will be so many crises, and that is only the USP, how you have handled that driven versus deliverable journey.
Mhm.
Many
Correct.
crises will be there. Some crisis will be at 2 o'clock, some crisis will be.
But I like the fact that you guys are doing, it's not like, you know, anyone and everyone कि नहीं बंदा आपके पास आया, आपने एक आर्किटेक्चर डिजाइन कर दिया,
No,
दे
no,
दिया.
no, no.
You guys deep dive and understand the mentality of that client.
Of course,
You know,
have
what
to
is the
understand.
desire, what is the need, you are entirely identifying and observing. You know what is required और कैसे हो सकता है. How can you guys make their dream come true
That is,
in that set budget?
of course.
Okay, that
So,
is also something which
yes,
is very
budget
important.
is very important in the industry to,
Correct.
you know, not to, I can say for a survival,
Hmm.
but you know, to deliver the things at the right expectations and the promises. So it is not something like what you have said you have not delivered. Nobody will make you stand
Correct.
anywhere. So when we talk about my third pillar, it is the deliverable.
Hmm.
For the three pillars will stand successfully. After that only the fourth pillar can come in the existence, that is the delighted. So
Correct.
client will get delighted again on four things. Whatever he has asked, we have planned. Whatever we asked, he has fulfilled. Whatever we have delivered, again with the timelines.
Hmm.
And then with all these three things, he will get delighted. And he will keep us in our mind.
Correct. And you guys also have an ideology, you know, where you say that we are not only interior designers or architecture, we are kind of your partners.
So that's what I'm saying again. So generally people say jack of all trades. We say we are master in many.
Correct. True, and it's important. मुझे लगता है ये चीज करनी बहुत जरूरी है. Any architecture or any interior designer, I guess, understanding clients' needs and the kind of budget they have and designing and bringing that to life is something which is commendable, and you guys are doing it very well. कभी ऐसा हुआ, like, you know, that you are in this space, there are a lot of competitors, right? You already have a lot of competitors. कभी ऐसा हुआ that, you know, there is a phase where, you know, you felt that क्यों आई मैं इंडस्ट्री में?
No, I never felt like that. Where I go with the confidence, and that confidence is there because I have worked from ground to top. I dealt with the people from your security to the managing director of big MNCs.
Correct.
So I never felt like that ki yes, competition. And again, the amount of hard work, confidence, and the trust.
Correct.
And you are following some of your ethics to do.
Correct.
So I never felt, see, not necessarily if I am pitching hundreds of projects, so hundreds of projects will come to me.
Correct.
But out of that, if my turning ratio is even 50%, which is actually more than that.
Correct.
So I won the battle.
True.
I won the battle.
And I guess that's how it should be.
And it's not necessary that if every project is coming that you have to take. You have to see what is your appetite.
Correct. Yeah. True.
Yeah. So if you have a team of 100 people and that 100 people team can do only 10 of the jobs in a better way, which has to be there for just 10 of the sites, then you cannot take in risk of, you know, taking 12 projects and ruining that 10 projects.
Absolutely.
So you have to see your appetite that time, whether your plate permits to take some additional desserts in your plate.
Correct.
Or you have to stop.
And that's why you rightly said your point number 4, delivery.
Yes.
Which is something which is very important.
It is very important. That is, you know, if the client will not remember what kind of aesthetic I have given,
Yeah,
because he have
yeah,
multiple of
yeah.
offices, he has multiple of walls, but he will always remember that I have screwed up their projects by 2 weeks if
Yeah,
I am not
true.
meeting the deadlines.
Correct.
So for me, if I am commanding to the client, I will command with my reverse calculations. I will
Correct.
command with a reverse calculations. If
True.
I can finish that task in 4 weeks,
Hmm.
I will tell client that I will be able to finish that task in 6 weeks.
Correct.
So his mindset has already been prepared.
Absolutely.
That so if I am giving some cherry on top, sir, I have
Hmm.
finished that project in 5th, he will pat back me.
Yeah, yeah, and that's all about a good entrepreneur.
Yeah,
You
that
know,
has to be
pre-planned
there.
and delivering things on time is something that and that's kind of a strategy that works really well. Now, talking about construction site, I'm sure that you guys don't only deal into interior designing, you're also into architecture and execution of entire
Yeah.
project, right? I'm sure कई बार आपको जाना पड़ता रहेगा
Many
site
a
पर,
times, many a
right?
times.
So being a female, I really want to understand, like, आप जैसे construction site पे जाते हो, how do people be more receptive when you be there?
See, when I have started doing this, it was quite tough. It was quite tough because, again, on the floor, I'm a only lady. While on the execution site, when we talk
Yeah,
about,
correct.
okay, so there are almost 100% male, from your project manager to from the client side, from the laborers, and everybody was a male person. Okay, so but if you are going with a plan that yes, these is the things like I wanted to see, I wanted to convey, and I want my things to be like that. How you are
Correct.
presenting themselves, it is very important. Second, like your confidence, what you are speaking. If I am saying कि ये काम मेरे हिसाब से 4 hours में हो सकता है करके, so I should first confident enough कि yes, ये सिर्फ बोलने के लिए बात नहीं की जा सकती है. See, it is not the thing like you are just creating on a system. I am turning the design into reality. So
Correct.
everything has to be a real time check.
Correct.
So it was difficult at many a times, but then the people perception gets changed when you go with the perfection.
True.
So perception can always change with the perfection. That is what my belief. Then they doesn't
I guess
see.
we are the ones who can change people's perception.
हाँ, so I have seen earlier they वो मैडम आई है करके ऐसे. Then like they used to treat project in charge आया है. Project
Correct.
leader आया है.
Correct.
So
correct.
then that gender gone, secondary thing कि male है, female है, and everybody.
Yeah.
But yes, you know when we are going, तो वो एक दबदबा होता है कि कल मैडम आने वाली है.
But क्यों लगता है आपको ये perception क्यों create किया गया है that female
See,
architect-
we are living in the country where in the past the females has always been treated secondary. Certain evolutions has come, but still it needs lot of betterment. It needs lot of betterment. So if when I did my post graduation, I'll tell you, among 30 we were only 2 females.
Oh, and how is it now?
So now it's a ratio of 50-50.
Oh, that's amazing.
It's a ratio of 50-50, but still. So first, as a woman, you have to come out of the comfort zone.
True.
So that instinct has to be from the woman.
Yeah.
Ki if you will ask me 2 o'clock if I have to go in the site at night, I will not be scared. How will I go? What I will do? Something will happen. So you have to be a warrior at every front.
Correct. And take up that challenge.
Take up that challenge and see the resilience in the feminism is a very big power. So
Yeah.
I want that every woman should bring that resilience from their inner core.
Correct.
To do the things. We can create ourselves a life in ourselves.
Correct.
So then what else you want that you cannot create?
We have a power of
creating a human life.
Yeah.
So then these are all materialistic things.
Yes.
So
We are very powerful.
That way, and women, due to their intuitions, emotional sustainability, they have a power to handle those things.
Correct.
They can mellow down their aggression in a quite few minutes. अभी झगड़ा हुआ साइड पे, ठीक है, आफ्टर सर्टेन टाइम उसको बुलाओ,
करेक्ट,
उसको हम समझाते हैं.
हाँ जी, करेक्ट. एंड द वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन आल्सो
हाँ,
चेंजेस.
and then they start respecting कि मैडम ने हमको
yeah,
झाड़ा भी होगा लेकिन मैडम ही है जिन्होंने हमको समझाया.
Correct. And you have to deal with
हाँ,
laborers and you have
of
to deal
course.
with
And
people
see,
who are
one thing you have to
yeah,
shower the care.
Yeah.
You cannot treat labor as a laborer. So they are your spine.
Correct. Yes, of course.
They are your
They
spine.
bring
You
everything to
can,
life.
So whenever you are laying a first brick, if I say brick, it is not every time mandatorily a block. But whenever you are starting any project or something, you have to take in confidence to your entire team. That
yeah,
boss अपन कर लेंगे. We are
100%.
born to do the things completely. And on top of that, मैं हूँ तुम लोग के साथ. Don't
correct.
worry. Call me anytime I'm available.
Correct. No, it's very important. And
this industry is demanding. It is not like that ki just you have work for 6 to 8 and then that things gets finished. You have to work on very crucial things.
Yeah, because many
day and
times,
night works is getting happen. Something happens, some accident happens, though you have everything in place, your insurance in place, but somebody is struggling with their life over there. So you have to go there as an owner, and that is called as an ownership.
Absolutely.
So I am taking care, and that's why my team has a lot of regards and respect for me.
Lovely. That's amazing. Now, talking about office spaces, right? Do you really think that it's just an investment?
No.
Or
honestly, no.
Yeah.
It is not an investment. See, your office space is what? From where you are creating your team. So basically, it's an investment for your business. It's an investment for your growth. It's a brand title space for your own business, not for others. And people, as in your staff or you yourself, are spending quite 60% of your day over there.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to give that comfort zone to the people. It is not, if people will not comfortable, their efficiency will not come.
I guess it's a positive investment. Whereas people think जो Indian mindset है ना कि यार office तो हम खुद ही बना लेंगे, है ना? It's I to spend extra penny in hiring an interior designer or
there
an
is a
architecture.
difference.
Exactly.
There is a difference. There is a difference. So when architects comes with the mindset that we have to give them purpose driven space.
Correct.
So purpose driven is always purpose involved with so many things. There your emotion involved, there your culture involved, there your technology involved, where you are into that business. So if you cannot think as a lay person, you know, that what technology will impact my workforce.
Correct.
Okay. So that is where. So initial shortcuts
correct
will lead for broader cuts to your business.
I absolutely agree to this. और अभी तो ये जमाना हो गया है जहाँ पे इंटीरियर डिजाइनर आर्किटेक्चर they design space according to the Vastu alignment as well.
Absolutely.
Right? And they understand minute detail of your space.
So I'll tell you, architecture and interior designing is not just, you know, to design some four corners.
Yeah.
Okay. It is not. And as a entrepreneur for this industry, everything doesn't calculate on a square feet ka thing. Again, I'll tell you, when we have created the different square, we are not a person who will think while driving the business on a square feet. We have to follow 4 squares. That's what I told. What are my core values of the company? So square feet is just all about and money, but money comes with a lot of things which has to tick first and then it will come. So architecture and interior designing is not just, you know, just pulling some lines, making some partitions, walls, painting, lighting and all those things.
Not that.
So yes, there is Vastu involved. There is science involved. So Vastu is again not a one traditional method.
Yeah, it's
If
not.
you will learn or if you will see the ancient structures,
Yeah, it's
okay,
all.
so they have all made with the Vastu. Vastu is a directional based thing which is driven by sun rotations.
Agreed.
It is driven by how the earth is moving
Correct.
on its own. So Vastu is that. But if now there are the color specialists, so what wall and what direction wall should have
Yeah.
what colors, that is very important.
Correct.
That is very important. And I also learned all these things when I have started my business. So I have learned lot of books on color therapies.
Wow.
I have learned a lot of books on Vastu. So why the orientation of the table should not be towards the south? That is a magnetic attraction power. Nothing about any direction. Human psychology,
It's
human
all
mind
science.
tendency. It is a science. It is a science. And while designing those things, if we want that our client should get flourish, without asking, basic things has to be followed.
Correct.
I have my client for whom I have designed the office for 18 people in the very start of my career. Now he has an 1800 people in his organization.
That's amazing.
So I am so happy seeing him growing. The space which I have designed for 80 people, I have designed for 1800 people also. But that growth is giving me the confidence. Yes, there is
And
a power.
I purely believe that आप लोग जो डिजाइन करके एक एक पार्ट को जिस तरीके से उसको एनहेंस करते हो,
Yes. Every
you
corner
don't
should
have that
peak.
kind of mindset. See, being a client or being a normal, just a viewer, I will always feel that wow in that space
Yeah.
when it is purely designed and every space has been utilized.
Yes.
Okay, with modernization. Whereas person who is designing things on their own, it is quite visible.
See,
समझ में आ जाता है.
I'll tell you, you cannot design, you can copy something.
True.
You cannot design.
Exactly.
So you are copying means it has already been designed by
मतलब
someone.
यहाँ से मैंने ये ले लिया,
So
यहाँ से ये
nowadays
ले
lot
लिया.
of
Correct.
apps are there, lot
Yeah,
of pages
yeah,
are
yeah,
there
yeah.
where somebody has uploaded their work. But that has been copied. So see, I'll tell you a very general example. In exam, if you are copying something, will you stood first or merit or something like that?
Not at all.
For coming on a rank 1 or on
Yeah.
a medal panel, you have to work hard. Then only you will
Basically,
come.
designing your space is not an expense. It's basically an
It
investment.
is an
And I guess
investment.
it should be the first investment that you do.
Because you cannot understand, you can understand the walls.
Hmm.
You cannot understand the services.
Correct.
You do not have a knowledge of technicality
Correct.
to it. If something, I will give the example. If I have created one cabin and I have not given the switch plates just next to the table, will that cabin owner will stand 100 times and
Not
put
at all.
on the button which is just planned next to the door? He will say,
Absolutely,
"Yeah,
it's annoying.
what's wrong with this, yeah?"
It's annoying.
It will annoy him. It will, create some distraction in his mind. If
Correct.
somebody is coming, I have to go switch on the lights. If it is very much accessible to, he will be in the flow of that. So the psychology, again,
Correct.
I'll
Yeah,
tell you,
yeah,
the functionality. If I am designing some CEO's cabin, I am putting one CEO's cabin in the one corner and I am putting the boardroom in another corner. Okay, so whether the CEO will go and sit first in the boardroom and then the guest will come, then he is wasting his time.
Correct.
And the guest come and CEO is not present, then also the guest will feel bad. So ideal planning is in a methodology.
Correct.
And
True.
that methodology you cannot learn from the pictures and the
because
posters.
there is something called subject matter expert.
Of
I guess
course.
let them do
and
their
see, we
work.
have spent
Yeah.
5 years in those studies. After that, with the practical knowledge, it's not necessarily with the 5 year of learning that architectural Bible you will learn everything.
Correct.
Experience matter.
Yeah.
Experience matters. So many of the entrepreneurs, those who have started this journey, they feel freshers को लेके काम हो जाएगा, तो why to spend this higher salary for the experts? But you need the experts.
You need experts.
You need the experts to optimize your further chores.
Correct. No, you need, I believe that you need experts to make your work little more faster.
Of course.
Okay, जितना जल्दी हो सके
And it
उतना.
should be always in combination of the fresher, experience, those who are the veterans. If you will ask me, when I became an architect, there was no software tool.
Correct.
But it doesn't mean that ki I can just go without learning the software tool. So
Correct.
learning always to be there, and that learning will come from your
Mhm.
young generation.
Correct.
So
True.
they are so software and tech friendly.
Mhm.
Those we cannot.
Correct.
So when it comes to the system driven, it should be a combination of
It should be.
everything.
So when you have spoken about software, what is the role of AI in your industry?
AI cannot replace the architects. They can help. It can help.
Correct.
It can optimize the time to doing the things with the old methodology, but they cannot replace the architects.
Correct. So it can only speed up your work a bit.
Can speed up our work. They can given the data in a very summarized way to us. It can help in data driven things while summarizing. For example, I have to calculate the pro rata things for the services part. So it's not that I will do the calculation with length, width, and everything. That
not
I can ask AI or any Copilot or any Gemini. I can compare and I can give, but they
Correct.
cannot. And everything, every space is different.
Correct.
Every office is different.
True.
So AI has a modulated things. So designing in a boutique way,
Correct.
AI cannot do.
Yeah, I guess human touch cannot be replaced.
No,
even
not
though
at all.
is
AI
there
will
or
never
not.
replace
Human eye can also never be replaced, because what they can see, AI cannot see.
So
Talking
technology hai.
Correct. Talking about design. Okay, if I talk about, say, designing a particular space, how long is the process?
Again, depend upon the size of the space what we are designing. How much download in the first meeting client has given to us, or how we are used to of the same kind of a space. So we are very much veteran in the hospitality industry.
Okay.
So if I have to define that, every hospital is different.
Yeah, absolutely.
So every hospital is different. Cardiac hospital is different. Oncology hospital is different. Eye hospital is different. Wellness hospital is different. Certain things are very common. So while designing the hospital or while executing the hospital thing, if I have to ask, you do not have to be in just an executor, or you do not have to be in just an architect who is just designing the space with the partitions, walls, and colors and those stuff. Okay?
Correct.
There are a lot of emotions, lot of psychology, lot of healing process.
I guess
You
it's all
have to
data
give.
driven.
It's not a data driven, it is about an understanding of the methodology what they follows. So again, the space is like how much you are clear to design that space. So time is not an essence of that. How at what clarity you are designing that space.
Correct. So if I say design or execution, what do you think is very important, or who works as a hero over here?
Nirali, this is a very architect's dilemmatic question. Like, it is something you have asked over one another. For example, if I have to give the example, if I have to see the car while driving, engine or the steering wheel, who is a hero according to you? Both are very dependable on each other.
Absolutely.
So in a similar way, if you have to see, designing is a soul.
Yeah.
Okay. But execution is your integrity.
True. Absolutely.
Whatever space you are designing on a paper, might it look very fancy. So that is just give you a call. Oh, lovely, what they have designed. Call them. I wanted to discuss. But execution is something, if you got failed in that, your design will not be able to save you.
Yeah, true.
You will land up in the things which will dent you legally, which will dent you financially. So I must say, design can be better, but execution needs to be better from day one.
Absolutely. But being in this field, you have to deal with laborers, right? Who are maybe they haven't studied much. Education इतना strong नहीं होता है. कभी कभार ऐसा हुआ है कभी कि आपने जो डिजाइन बताया उससे शायद थोड़ा बहुत अलग डिजाइन कर दिया हो.
So here again, I would say कि you have, first thing, you have to be very transparent with the client. It is your fault that you are not being able to explain to that vendor in his lay language.
Correct. As we have spoken a lot about the spaces that you create, हमने ये भी बात करी that in hospital niche that you create healing space. So I really want to understand, when you talk about healing, how difficult or how important it is to have that emotionally intelligent space designed.
It is very important. So in the hospital, the person's psychology gets changed. A lot of anxiety comes, a lot of sadness comes. No one comes happy as in a first appearance to the hospital.
Correct.
Though you are going for your regular checkups.
True. So it's very important.
So it is very important. So lot of things nowadays are there to, while designing the hospital, while executing the hospitals also. So you will see ki if there are less in the heights and all those things, it is not going to fly in the hospital. If you wanted to make a cost effective hospital, if I'm saying, it doesn't mean it is pale.
Yeah,
you are already sad by your mindset. In the hospital, out of 80 people, out of 100, I must say, 20 people are hearing sad news.
Yeah, true.
Okay. So at that time, their mindset is in a very much lower down with their energies, their vibes and all that.
The energy is very low.
So at the same moment, if somebody is coming for his regular checkup also, his anxiety will get increased. So zoning is very important. Counseling is very important. For example, I'm making sit everybody in a same waiting lounge. And nurse is coming and saying, sir, your person is no more. Everyone the other person around, who is sitting next, his blood pressure will get shoot automatically.
True.
So you have to create the pause. To make people understand the facts.
Correct.
Okay. Then in the room, if you will say in the hospital, if you have created just white room with one bed, curtains, one TV, and whatever the stuff you require, you are lying down, you are just seeing the white drain world. You will not be from your inside to get that energy that I wanted to get healed.
Correct.
So there the texture comes. There is a very big terminology or a technique, biophilia. So in biophilia, it's not biophilia ka definition. Now in trend, people feel ki 10 plants ke pots la ke rakh diye. So biophilia is done. So biophilia is not like that. Biophilia is about an plantation with the natural lights, with the natural things, with the natural textures.
Correct.
So if that all things will be around you, if you're getting some sunlight in your room, you will feel automatically happy.
Yes.
If you have some greens around you with some stones, some pebbles, you will feel. On the top of that, there is some indoor flowery plant will be there. Then that color will give you some soothingness.
True. I guess all these things are very important.
Color
And
matters. Your biophilia is a thing which is matter a lot nowadays in every space.
yeah,
People says we do not want horticulture because it is high on maintenance, but it's a need of an hour.
it is a need of an hour, and
It is a
understanding
need of
this.
an hour.
Yeah,
It de-stress you.
correct.
It is not about and only in a hospital, even in office, in collab area or some breakout zones, you are giving some biophilic elements.
Mm,
So it will be human centric.
correct. And I guess all these things can be
These are all
identified.
purpose driven.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
when you are saying ki why that investment,
Hmm.
investment is for changing your mindset, changing
Yeah,
your vibes to work.
yeah. And I believe that this can be done, this can be identified only by an expert.
Of course,
Okay, otherwise ये सबका काम नहीं है.
No,
It's
not
not
at all.
every
And
person's cup
even
of
I
tea.
must say, not every architect is a master in designing
Yeah.
the hospital
Yeah.
or designing the office. There
I
are
agree.
experts. So even I take the help of the experts.
Mm-hmm. No,
It
it's
is-
very important to
हाँ, so,
understand that
and
space.
it's always in learning.
So
When to-
talking about Indian workspace, right? How do you see the future of Indian workspace in next 5 years? Because, like, if you talk about our CM,
Yeah.
no, he's a firm believer of developing the entire architecture of Mumbai, of Maharashtra. How do you take this?
See, I feel very much privileged that I am an architect of this era.
Hmm.
Where the government or maybe the stakeholders who are seeing country as in a developing countries in those things also. I believe couple of years back when Narendra Modi has taken the swear
Yeah.
for this
Oh,
tenure,
yeah.
so he in his speech himself he has emphasis, he has given the importance to the architecture and the interior world. So I see that yes, it's a need of an hour. So if you will ask, so recently, if we will take a recent conversation of work from home,
Yeah.
okay, so this culture has came from COVID. In Indian world, the culture has came from COVID.
Yeah, a lot of
After-
things has
हाँ,
changed
so
during
it has
COVID.
both sides,
Yeah.
positive and negative sides.
Yeah.
First question, why people will come to office
Hmm.
from their home comfort zone to work? Okay, and on the other side, if business side, work efficiency is not really that good from their own
Yeah.
comfort zone.
True.
So here, the meticulous approach is like that. You have to give the ambience
Yeah.
to the people. So it will not the desk economy.
Yeah.
If
True,
you will
true,
see
true.
20, 30, so it will not be the desk economy. It is the purpose economy.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. It is the investment against your psychology,
Hmm.
your empathetic, human centric things. So you have to, as an architect or an interior designer, I have to work because over a period of time, the generation of us will change to the Gen Z in the workplaces.
Yeah.
So first and foremost, their first principle as in a Gen Z generation, they need the comfort.
They need.
So ergonomics. So when your AI will help you, here the technology will help you.
Correct.
You have to make smart offices.
Yeah.
Okay, and flexible offices. So this concept is coming now in India. If
That
you will
table
see
and
the
chair
Google
concept.
office earlier also, so it is just in one Lego box.
Yeah.
You can put the blocks over one each other the way you want. Otherwise, you can just wrap up in a one box and keep it as an open space.
Correct.
So it is more of a collaborative things, more of an IoT, AI
Yeah.
technology. It is not something you are coming and then your face is getting read and then you're going or you're swiping. Your face is getting read. You at the screen itself, your desk number will get allotted. So it should be so auto-driven, smart enough to do those. To
I guess
these
Google
things.
Office, the way they have created, is one of the set examples for all the
So
employees.
recently, I would not utter the name on the platform, but recently I am in a design phase for a one very big brand.
Mhm.
So there, when I have just gone for a first meeting, they asked me to visit the LinkedIn office and the Google office,
Wow.
and they made those arrangements to visit the one of the Indian office of a LinkedIn and a Google.
Mhm.
So we spent more of 3 days in visiting and understanding what the work culture, what this, that. And after that, I understood their requirement, and we are in a designing phase. So here
Wow.
I will tell you, you have to take care of the ergonomics.
Yes.
You have to take, as soon as person goes, the automation and the tech part should be so worked in the precision. It should get adjusted with the height of that person.
Mm.
That is what is your investment. Then only person will feel I'll go to the office, because all this technology is not there at my home.
Yeah, correct.
So it should not कि मुझे ड्यूटी पे जाना है.
Yeah.
They should feel that I'm going
It's
on a
my
destination.
yes. It's my space.
हाँ,
It's
I'm going on a
has to be very.
destination.
I believe that the work culture, the space makes you more creative.
Of course. So
घर
see,
पे सिर्फ घर जैसा ही एनवायरनमेंट रहता है. आप जब ऑफिस पे क्यों जाते हो, ताकि आपको वो ऑफिस का माइंडसेट मिले.
so it should be a destination for you to go.
करेक्ट.
With a mindset कि यार यहाँ जाके मैं जो काम करूँगा ना, वो काम का मजा ही अलग है.
करेक्ट.
So automatically that light ambience will play the role, that acoustics will play the role, the colors which are around will play the role, the biophilic elements will play the role. Nowadays, if you will see, in all corporates which are in a tier 1 cities and a big brands, if you will talk about in Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft, all these brands are spending enormous on cafeteria development
Yes.
of their space.
True.
They are spending the recreational area of that space, breakout zones, sleeping pods.
True.
So, and some decompression zones where you don't need any technology, nothing. You just want to sit and just reboot yourself.
Correct.
So this is
And that's
very,
how you
very
can bring
much
out-
important.
And I believe lot of creativity comes out.
lot of creativity comes, but 2030 is completely the smart tech offices. So creativity along with the technology,
Yeah, it's a good
only will
combination.
work.
Yeah.
It is not going to work if you are creating a very good space, but it is not tech friendly. Nobody will love to come.
Nobody. We're talking about digitalization. Like, there are a lot of creators at place. They are building up lot of big studios. Big podcasters. They are creating their own big spaces. So have you been through such kind of spaces, or have you got an opportunity to work for one of them and design a space for creators?
So, yes, this is the new thing that everyone wants to record, spot studios and all that. But this is not new for me. The environment which need for all these things, we have already mastered this and set the benchmark, working with the brands like Star and Geo for their world class recording studios.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm sure that Ek Soch 3.0, we will have a bigger studio, and I guess you are going to be one of them who will be
I
designing
would love
it.
to design for you, and it should be the voice like a star of
Actually,
a
because I
Nirali,
believe
and the studio should be a very much tech based, a bigger and beautiful than the
correct.
Star
And
and the
I
Geo.
believe that a women can understand women much better,
Of course,
than what
that
other,
has to be there.
Yes.
See, again, woman versus woman has two things,
Correct.
but you have to always look as a growing woman for a
Correct.
positive aspect of
True.
another woman of growing.
True.
And then
Absolutely.
only on a platform like Ek Soch, we can, just empower the woman the likewise.
True.
Otherwise,
True.
there is no meaning as a woman saying that I am a woman entrepreneur. If you are not able to empower one woman,
True.
then your entrepreneurship doesn't
Absolutely. And the main part of it is like, most of the women, like how many % women in India are working, or they are an entrepreneur? No, still the ratio is very less. It's very
Yes.
less.
Because see, again, some comfort zones.
Yeah,
Some comfort zone. Once, you should think of being an independent.
correct.
Not in terms of the finances and all.
True.
From your inner core.
Correct.
That independency gives you the confidence. That independency gives कि I can do anything.
True.
So then that thing will come कि नहीं, I wanted to work. I wanted to charge my inner core and I can do much better things. Because that power
Absolutely.
you have, it's been a
And you're-
God-given power
And
to you.
I believe women's are already a warrior.
Yeah,
Okay.
they are warrior.
And-
They can work on a multiple front.
Correct.
So this is the quality where women can be more multitasking. It is not something that I'm saying women are more stronger and powerful
Mhm.
than men. But yes, there are qualities in the woman which God has given you that you have to just tick at right time.
So how did you as an entrepreneur manage to build your company brand as well as your personal brand?
Again, I say this is see, business is always driven by people to people.
Yeah, true.
You are sitting under one tag.
Correct.
I would say, for example, Shweta is, if I am working, okay, I am working today for a X brand. But I know Nirali as a person. Though
Correct.
Nirali is sitting under a brand of Ek Soch, which has been created by her.
But
But I know Nirali as a person.
correct.
So whether Shweta will go for X brand or Y brand, if
She will
Nirali
be
has some
already-
work, she will call Shweta.
Correct. True. Absolutely.
So first you have to build yourself.
Absolutely.
Business is always driven by
A person.
person to person.
Yeah.
Though in a corporate world we will call B2B, B2C, whatever. So this is all on terminology. If
Correct.
something bad will happen on any of my other side,
Mhm.
where the things are not getting solved on a ground reality, so what client will do? He will draft a mail that time to different square that no, these things are not happening. He will call to the person.
True.
So it is always a person driven.
Yeah, it is always.
It is always
and
in person
gone
driven.
are those days where people used to trust a logo and go there.
See,
Now it's
again,
all on person.
if you want to grow, you have to come from transactional business to the relationship business.
Yes, very rightly said.
So relationship business is a person driven business.
Correct.
Transactional business, you will come. For example, you are a lay person in the industry, or you are doing maybe a first expansion of your company. You will search on a Google, you will get 10 companies, or maybe you will call some people, those who do the broking and all those stuff. They will come up with a set of the people. You will give them the gateway. But if you have to counter check the credibility of the person, you will call to some other person and check the credibility. Credibility will come when I will develop the trust with the other person.
Absolutely.
So building a trust again will come with the person to person, not
Yeah.
from brand to brand.
And you rightly said that you need to have a relationship. at
Relationship
least.
is a
Your
very
network-
big factor.
Your network is your net worth. If you don't have a good network, that is one of the resource which is must.
Yes. So why people are going nowadays to a lot of networking platform? Because publicity of mouth
Yeah.
is very important.
Yeah.
Referral is very important.
True.
So this is what the one aspect where the business can grow. By marketing, you can do the business once,
True.
but the trust will develop your business lifelong. And when transaction comes, relationship comes over a transaction of any business,
Rightly said.
business will grow automatically.
It
You have
will.
to just move on and go ahead.
Absolutely.
You have to work on a bond of a relationship, and that will come with the trust and transparency.
Very rightly said. And this is one of the bucket which should be flooded.
Of course, of
which should be
course.
flooded, because without relationship, without
No, not
one-to-one
at all.
connect, there is
Not
no
at
business
all.
at all.
See,
So thank you so much. We had wonderful conversation. It was very candid and very real, which will definitely connect with lot and lot of people, especially women who are watching today from
thank
your
you.
vertical. Women who really want to do something and they're not able to achieve. Right, we are heading towards the last segment of our show, that is rapid fire round.
Yep.
Whatever questions I'm going to ask you, you need to answer in one word. Are we ready for it?
Yep.
All right then. ऑफिस एस्थेटिक्स या एम्प्लॉय कंफर्ट? अगर
Employee
सिर्फ
Employee
so
comfort.
before even I finish my question, you have an answer. Lovely. एक स्पेस जो आपने डिजाइन किया जिसको देख के आपको आज भी प्राउड फील होता है?
That is an AI technology which is in Mahape.
वाओ. एक ऐसे क्लाइंट का कोई क्वालिटी जो आपको तुरंत यस करवा देती है?
Confidence.
लवली. इंडिया का सबसे अंडररेटेड सिटी फॉर वर्क स्पेस डिजाइन अपॉर्चुनिटी?
Ahmedabad.
True. If you could redesign any one public space in Mumbai, what would it be?
Mumbai local stations.
Very rightly said. Minimalism या maximalism?
Minimalism.
सबसे पहले डिजाइन ड्राइंग बनाता है या क्लाइंट को साइकोलॉजी समझाता है?
Psychology.
या विदाउट साइकोलॉजी देयर इज नो डिजाइन.
Nothing can come.
एक चीज जो एवरी इंडियन फाउंडर को आप अपने ऑफिस में जरूर ऐड करनी चाहिए?
Comfort for employees.
वेरी राइटली सेड. एक बिल्डिंग या स्पेस वर्ल्ड वाइड जिसे आप पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहती हो?
The waterfall house built by Frankel Wright.
Oh, and where is it?
It is in US. So it is being made in a forest with a waterfall. So every architect, and this is my dream when I have learned this in my college days, without hurting nature, how you can create such a beautiful place.
Yeah.
And that time there was no technology when this thing has been
Absolutely.
created. So now with the help of technology, we should not hurt to the plants, we should not hurt to the water bodies which are
Correct.
getting existing in the your earth. So
Rightly
the
said.
global warming which is coming because we are cutting a lot of trees legally,
Mhm.
illegally, what all you are doing. So learning should be like that. You have to save nature and design it if it is the case.
I guess this should be taken by every architect or every
It
interior
is the
designer.
case. It is the case. And our veterans has created the history in this.
Correct.
So why not with the technology? Just a one step little ahead of it. You
Correct.
have to walk out of
And-
your
and I
comfort
guess
zone.
You can do it because we human have that kind of
So you have
power.
to come from your comfort zone.
Yep. True.
You have to work little more on it when
To
you
understand better.
Yes. And secondly, you need that convincing power to the client ki why we do not want to break this.
Yeah, correct. One last message you would like to give to all our audience who is watching this today and who really want to take something good out of this?
So I would always like to say to everyone, if anyone want to start their entrepreneurial journey, at what of the stage of the life, first believe in yourself, keep confidence high, keep transparency. Don't think we can be a millionaire in one night. It's a tortoise process. It will go, but yes, the success what you will give, what you will get is unbelievable. Keep consistency, keep transparency, and some extra mile steps you have to come out of your comfort zone and give as in your USP.
Correct.
And believe सब कुछ हो जाएगा. And there is a one very good say by Shah Rukh Khan, when you think from your heart that मुझे ये चीज करनी है तो आपको कायनात भी इसको करने के लिए हेल्प करेगी.
Correct.
So manifest what you want to do.
And I've seen again, I keep saying to all the entrepreneurs who are good entrepreneurs and successful entrepreneurs, all these things are very common in them. They believe in themselves.
Yeah.
They manifest what they believe in, and that's how they are where they are today.
Of course.
And it brings lot of law of attraction is something which works
Yes,
really well
yes.
and which which is there. Again, it's a science, right?
Again, it's a
It's a
science.
science.
Whatever you are vibing, it is going to convert by your own power.
Correct.
Try. I have done many a times.
True.
Many a times I have done at lot of turning points in the business, whether it's on a positive note, in a negative note. So when you do कि नहीं सब कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा,
Correct.
and
तो वो
nothing
होता ही है,
stops. You can stop breathing, but world will move on.
Very rightly said. So thank you so much once again, Shweta ji. And one last message for our platform, Ek Soch.
It is a very nice platform, and I would say wherever you feel like we can collaborate and do something, some extra mile step for any social, to empower women, to empower the the women who comes from the sabbatical and they are low on the confidence and all that. So Exoch, the podcast which they are showing, it's really very beautiful, and I wish many more, and a very big studio like Star and Geo for Nirali, and
Yeah,
I'm
thank
100%
you.
going to
Coming to
design
you.
for you.
And I'm sure today I have manifested that you are going to design my 3.0,
Yeah.
and we are really looking forward to it.
It will
Thank
be
you
a
so much.
4K stunning studio for
Yeah.
you.
I am already dreaming. It's already
No,
visually
yes.
dreamt of. So thank you so
Whenever,
much.
wherever you need it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank
once
you.
again. And to all the viewers, do watch this entire episode, because I'm sure, coming from a strong woman who's already an entrepreneur, who has been through a lot of struggles, and still she is very strong enough to be on this couch and share the entire journey of hers as an architect and heading her own company, Different Square Ventures. Signing off for today, मैं निराली पंड्या, एक सोच, one idea that changed your life.